Welcome back to Rising Voice English. Today is day 18 of your English speaking practice. Take a slow breath in, pause, and breathe out slowly. Your body is calm. Your mind is ready. Today, you will learn how to speak English at the airport. Airports can feel busy. Airports can feel stressful. Many learners feel nervous. Many learners feel confused. But you are learning step by step. You are improving every day. Today, you will learn simple English, clear English, useful English. Stay with me. Listen carefully. Repeat slowly. You arrive at the airport. You look around. You see many people. You hear many sounds. Stay calm. Walk slowly. Look at the signs. Departures. Arrivals. Check-in. I am at the airport. Again. I am at the airport. Very good. I am waiting in line. Again. I am waiting in line. Hello. Again. Hello. Very good. Here is my passport. Again. Here is my passport. Here is my ticket. Again. Here is my ticket. Very good. I am going to London. Or, I am going to Dubai. I am going to... Yes, I have one bag. No, I have no bag. Very good. Thank you. Again, thank you. Gate number. Seat number. Boarding time. My gate is number 12. My seat is 14A. Very good. I am at security. Here is my bag. Again, here is my bag. Everything is okay. Again, everything is okay. Very good. I am looking for my flight. I am looking for my flight. Where is gate 12? Where is gate 12? Very good. I am waiting. I am waiting. Boarding will begin soon. Very good. Here is my boarding pass. Here is my boarding pass. Excuse me. Excuse me. Very good. Fasten your seatbelt. May I have water? May I have water? Very good. Arrivals. I am at immigration. I am here for travel. I am here for travel. Very good. I am waiting for my bag. I am waiting for my bag. This is my bag. Very good. Where is the taxi? Where is the taxi? How much is it? How much is it? Very good. Practice together. I have my passport. I have my ticket. Where is the gate? Here is my boarding pass. Excuse me. Thank you. Very good. You are improving. You are learning every day. You do not need perfect English. You need clear English. Speak slowly. Stay calm. Use simple words. This is enough. Take a slow breath in. Pause and breathe out. You did a great job today. You practiced. You learned. You improved. Come back tomorrow for day 19. Keep learning with Rising Voice English. You did a great job today. You practiced. You learned. You improved. Remember, airports can feel busy. Airports can feel stressful, but you now have simple English, clear English, useful English. When you travel, stay calm. Speak slowly. Use short sentences. This is enough. Take a slow breath in. Pause and breathe out. Your English is improving every day, step by step, word by word, sentence by sentence. Come back tomorrow for day 19. We will continue together. Keep learning with Rising Voice English.